Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to review the Yum Box for May. If you are not familiar with Universal Yums, it is a monthly subscription box for snacks, and the snacks are going to be from a specific country each month. The Yum Box is $16 a month and you're going to get 5 to 7 snacks in that box. The Yum Yum Box is $26 a month and it's going to have 10 to 12 snacks, and that's the one that we have. The Super Yum Box is $41 a month and you will get 15 to 18 snacks. So the way they build is the Yum Box has 5 to 7 items. The Yum Yum Box has those 5 to 7 items plus more. And the Super Yums has the combination of those two boxes plus more.
And a drink.
And a drink.
So this is what we have for this month. Thailand, yay!
This piece of paper has some information about Thailand, and it has a game that you can play with the stickers that are going to be in here. Whoops.
Yeah,
With the stickers that are going to be in here. And this book has got some games and things that you can
nice
go through with your family.
Brochure.
Yep.
Nutritional information in the back about of the items.
And it always will have a recipe. And I will say we haven't used one of the recipes yet, but we wanted to.
Kept them.
Yeah, we've kept them.
Oh, make green curry, and we love curry in this
Yum.
household. So this will be another one that we'll put with the other recipes to try one day.
All right, let's see what's next we got. I'll show you the snacks one more time, the big box. It is full of stuff. Our first thing is a bag of chips. This is Tasto, and it's called Devil Emperor Chili Potato Chips. So this does not make me want to try it. And the picture on the back is got covered in red chilies. What do we know about this chip?
So it says there's no better way to experience spicy Thai cuisine than trying it. So this bag not only has chips, but dried chilies in it as well. So we might try a little taste of a chip to see.
I'm going to show you guys something that has in here. It has a heat rating. Thai chilies are on the top of this rating list.
Yeah.
So we are going to taste the Devil Emperor Chili Potato Chips. We're going to split this one.
Whoa, okay.
I'm going to try this big of a
If
piece.
we don't come back to the video, you don't know why. I'm going to try this one.
Okay, let's try it.
So, folks, that was way off the chart spicy. We're passing this bag right over to our brother.
He's standing by to enjoy this. My side of my tongue is going a little bit numb from the heat of that. And it was just literally this big of a piece.
Off, yes. The flavor at first was amazing, and then the heat hit, and that was overpowering. So this one was appropriately named Devil Spice. So we're going to get our pause, give it to our brother.
Gross. So our brother tried those chips. He has a really high heat tolerance, and he said, there's some heat to them. They're fine. He can enjoy them.
Yes. So next we have this bag, and it says it's a seaweed snack. It says it's made with rice bran oil. So it looks interesting.
It says it's tempura seaweed.
Chicken larb.
And it's chicken larb flavor. And I don't know what chicken larb is.
It looks like it was a ground chicken with other seasonings like fish
Maybe it's
oil.
a dish, a Thailand dish.
Yeah, a Thai dish could be. So it sounds yummy.
I'm in for trying it. Oh, weird.
It looks good.
It looks like fried chicken seaweed.
So that was really good. It was crunchy. It was delicious. They talked about lime seasoning in the chicken larb recipe in the booklet, and you could get that hint of lime near the end, and then a tiny bit of heat that was not just like kind of just came and went. I really like the flavor. I would buy these. What do you think?
I really liked it. We both went back for a second chip. The first thing you taste is almost a little bit of the sweet and the lemon. I kind of, before she said it was lemon or lime, was it lime? To me, I almost had the taste of like a dill pickle chip. I thought it was really good. It was yummy. It was crunchy. You could get a little bit of a seaweed taste, but I liked it. Our next thing is Party. This is a fried wheat snack, sweet and spicy flavor. It looks like a puff of some kind, a puff chip. It says sweetness completes everything in the.
So this is what it looks like inside. Like she said, they look like little puffs. So we're gonna try one.
Oh, they're small. They're a lot smaller than I thought they would be from the picture.
Yeah,
also, they don't look wafery. They almost look like they're going to be crisscrossed from the picture.
Oh, the back is. See?
Oh, the back is. Oh, never mind. It is. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so this was also really good. It said spicy sweet, but to me it was just sweet. And honestly,
Oh.
to me it tasted like cereal. Like
And
this.
but there was a little bit of like either a fish sauce or oyster sauce or something in it that I was picking up, and it was really good. But yes, it's mostly
good.
sweet, really good, crunchy
Yep.
little sweet snack.
It's good. I like it. I'm gonna eat more of those.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna try this. It looked interesting, cute packaging, and it's real lightweight. So we're gonna see what it says. It says big roll. Grilled seaweed roll, barbecue sauce flavor. Ooh, so a flavored seaweed roll.
It says it's super crunchy with a sweet barbecue zing. So I'm excited to try that.
Yes, we're gonna get.
I wonder what a roll of it looks like though.
So it's nice, dried up, hollow in the middle, seaweed. So here we go. So this had a really strong fishy flavor in it. So, and it was crunchy, and you got a little bit of sweetness, which I'm guessing is the barbecue flavor. Yeah. But unless you like a really strong fishy flavor, you're probably not gonna like it. It's not anything that I would go back for again because of the. I mean, I like fish, but this was a bit fishy.
Yeah, I like seaweed, but I don't like seaweed snacks, and that's a very strong flavor of just a dried seaweed leaf snack. But I know people enjoy that, and if you do, that is your snack.
Yes.
Our next thing is green tea matcha cream sticks. So these are from Uni Farms, I think. This is as close as I can get and not have a glare overwhelm it, but that's what we have. We're gonna give this a try. This is what they look like inside, as regular poppy looking sticks.
Yeah. It smells good.
That was pretty good. I mean, I didn't really get a lot of matcha flavor out of it.
Which is weird because the ones with the matcha we got in the Japanese box, their little sticks were strong matcha green tea. And this was really mild and sweet, almost could detect.
Yeah, I mean, to me, it just tasted like a candy coated stick, and it almost had a little bit of a gritty flavor, gritty texture to it. I didn't like, but those are
Yeah. So let's try this one next. It's called Sour Punk. And you've got the punk rocker look, and it looks like there's like a gummy candy strings inside.
And I like sour gummy.
And it's called Spaghetto.
Oh, it's like sour ropes.
Spaghetti, that's hilarious. I like that. So, and they come in a little plastic tray inside. And so I kind of pull one out that we can share. Spaghetti strings just were very long, so I had to break it so we could try it. It's a good sour candy. Kids would love it.
I like it. Does that make me a kid?
Yes.
The next one is Cremo. Cremo Choco Plus is what I think that says.
Huh. That's so flat.
There are two in here, and they look like just a flat shortbread cookie with cream chocolate in the middle. So, okay, so they one broke, but they are really thin, just super thin little cookies with chocolate in the middle. That was good. What do you think?
It was a little bitty crunchy, a little bit of chocolate, not real sweet. So I liked it.
I did too. I'm sorry, there's only two little dinky cookies in here, but
they are. Next thing we're going to try is these coconut chips. And I love tropical flavors, so I had to get this one. It says chocolate flavored coconut chips.
I'm excited to see if they're chips that have coconut chocolate.
Real coconut, crispy and yummy.
Oh, it might just be like strips of coconut.
That would be fun.
Oh,
it is just strips of coconut. Oh my goodness, like dried, fresh coconut.
And it's it's
it
full of
smells
them
like
there.
coconut. Oh.
Ready to try it?
Yes.
That's yummy.
That was really good dried coconut, and not the candy coated coconut dried we get here.
Yeah.
In the States, it was like fresh coconut dehydrated with a little bit of cocoa powder on it. So there was like barely any sweetness except from the wonderful coconut, and then just a little bit of just cocoa flavor. This was delicious. This bag made disappear.
I had to chuckle because the ingredient, it's coconut chips. It says natural coconut on the front, but under the ingredients, it has an allergy listing of contains coconut. I'm like, duh. So these are yummy.
These are a winner.
All right. I'm the Oreo fanatic in the family, so I'm going to pull out these ones. These are cookies and cream cookies, and these are Jack and Jill, and is it, I'm not sure. I'm going to let Krista hold that up while I try to find some information. That says Jack and Jill Fun O Cookies and Cream.
Cute.
And it's chocolatey sandwich cookies with a creamy filling. Let me ready. All right, so we got them open. They really just look like an Oreo cookie, but with cookies and cream filling.
They're cute.
They are cute.
Kind of little.
They're little. They broke in half really nice.
It smells good and chocolatey.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As an Oreo aficionado, and I take great pride in that,
Yes, yes.
there are all kinds of brands that do a chocolate sandwich cookie that do not taste anywhere near as good as an Oreo. This is about as close to the taste of an Oreo as you're going to get from not an Oreo.
That's what I was going to say. Like
that biscuit
you could be almost full that this was an Oreo cookie.
The only difference is I think the cookie's a little thinner and crisper. But then you have the Oreo thins. It could be the
So
same.
those were really good.
They nailed that flavor.
They did.
Last.
So last we have these Thai coconut rolls, which we get back to these occasionally at the store here. Some coconut rolls, not this brand, but other ones, and we really like them. So sweet roasted corn coconut roll.
I've never had one that had roasted corn mixed in it.
So when you open it, you get these cute little rolls.
I was reaching to catch. I thought they were going to fall apart.
So we're going to get one and share it. They're
They
hollow
look
in the
yummy.
middle. So yeah, those were good. They were crunchy. They're not quite like the coconut rolls we get where just coconut because this has sweet corn too. But you could really taste the sweet corn
Very good.
after eating it for a little bit. And they're really, really crunchy. A little bit dry, I think Beth was thinking.
Yeah, to me it ate dry, like I wanted to drink water immediately, but it tasted really good, and you can get the coconut and the corn flavor, so I like that a lot.
Yes.
That was amazing. What was your favorite thing?
So this was my favorite thing, and this was my favorite thing, and those Oreo cookies were my favorite thing.
The easiest thing might be, what was your least favorite thing?
The fishy seaweed.
The fishy seaweed roll is my least favorite thing too. My very favorite thing is also these. I love them so much. They're very good. And I like those corny coconut rolls. They were good too.
Yes.
We just realized that we do not have the little bag of small candies that are always in a Universal Yums box. Krista did look, and there's no mention of candies in the little pamphlet, and it usually tells you what kind of candy you're getting. So maybe this box wasn't supposed to have candy. These were great items. I really like them.
Little taste of Thailand.
Yeah, and it was good. And there was only one thing too hot to eat, except for our brother can't
Right.
have it. So that was good. So even though there might be things missing, it's still a good box. I like it. If you also like this box and enjoy this kind of content and would like to see more of it, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button.
Thumbs up.
Hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And for today, from Beth and Krista, thank you for joining us on Beth Unboxes.
Bye.
Bye.